finally yours. Step-by-step IM checklist to start making real money now with less effort. Introducing IM Checklist Volume 7. 18 Internet Marketing. Website and Domain. Setup Checklist. Newbie of the Internet? Worry no more, because this checklist will easily help you started on the website and domain setup part of the business. Business Branding Setup Checklist. Branding is one of the most important aspects of business. To help you stay ahead, I have included this checklist for you. WordPress Setup Checklist. Using WordPress is a newbie-friendly tool to get your visibility online started. Setting it up versus other methods of site building is easier than taking a lollipop from a baby. Email Marketing Setup Checklist. Setting up an email marketing campaign just got easier for you. With this checklist, you can choose from a Weber or active campaign depending on your preference. Landing Page Checklist. In order to have effective lead generation and sales funnel, you need to set up your own landing page. This checklist breaks down everything you need to do to get started easily and fast. Thank you Page Setup Checklist. Proper thank you pages can be one of the fastest and easiest way to improve your overall marketing and profit. This checklist shows you how set them up properly fast. Tracking Setup Checklist. Use the free plugin included in this checklist to efficiently track your analytics so that you know what is working and what is not. Social Media Setup Checklist. Almost every business today uses social media as their platform. Learn how to start linking your chosen social media platform to your website to get started. Social Media Plan Checklist. Success on your chosen platform can be achieved by a step-by-step success formula. This checklist gives you the steps and how to plan an effective campaign. Retargeting Setup Checklist. Keep your brand in front of bounce traffic after they leave your website. This checklist helps you choose the best strategy on retargeting ads. Messenger Chat Checklist. Never get stressed when using Messenger. You don't have to personally reply to your clients because I will teach you how to set it up like a pro. Affiliate Network Setup Checklist. A checklist about joining an affiliate network to gain more traffic and audience. Moreover, you can pass leads to each other. Win-win Video Hosting Setup Checklist. This checklist provides information on how and where to upload your videos so you can reach a larger network of prospects. Content Creation Setup Checklist. Content creation can be a worthy investment when done right. Follow these steps and start making your contents faster and easier with this checklist. Advertising Accounts Checklist. Advertisements are the backbone of marketing. Learn how to set up an advertising account to successfully run your ads 24/7. Marketing Plan Checklist. In order to create a sustainable cash flow, you need to have a working marketing plan. Creating a sound marketing plan just got a whole lot easier with this checklist. 30-day worksheet checklist. Carefully check your progress with this checklist so you won't have to worry about a thing. This 30-day checklist guides you on what to do each day so you don't have to guess anymore. 90-day guaranteed success plan. This 90-day success plan helps you stay focused on your goals from start to finish. This longer plan ensures you get farther in your online journey. 14-day, no questions asked. Money back guarantee. Although the low pricing makes this a total no-brainer, to make this easy for anyone to get now, I'm also going to give you the next 14 days to test it out. If you think in any way that these top-notch checklists are not for you, just send me an email within the refund period and we'll give your tiny investment